In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a treble crochet stitch. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you a crochet tutorial that will teach you how to do a treble crochet stitch. Now, for this crochet tutorial, you're going to need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll need a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. Well, I'm rolling up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's get started with learning how to do a treble crochet stitch. Now, with our treble crochet stitch, you will notice, and let me go ahead and just pick it up so I can show you. You will notice that our stitches are long, okay? So it is longer than our single crochets and our double crochets. It is an extended stitch, but I love this stitch because when you are creating patterns and you need to weave in between, such as ribbon or a different color, this stitch will become very, very useful. It will become your friend, especially when you're making clothes and you want to make belt loops and things like that. This is the stitch that you would need to know. So let's go ahead and put that back here. And I'm going to start with our sample piece with crocheting, let's do 13. So I'm doing my slip stitch, inserting my crochet hook, and I'm going to go ahead and chain 13. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I'm going to go into my fourth chain space from my hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go into this space and I'm going to do a treble crochet. So what is that? I'm going to wrap my yarn around twice. So that's 1 and that's 2. Okay, I'm going to insert my hook into this chain space right here, going up under both loops, so those little V's, and I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull up. So how many loops do we have on our hook? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to go through 2 loops. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now I have 2 more loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that is a treble crochet. So let's do another one. Yarn over twice, insert our hook into our project, making sure we're going under both loops. Okay, so the little V, pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops is on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? So let's do that again. Let's do it one more time. So again, as you notice, you are going to yarn over and pull through 2 3 times. Okay? And this is creating that extended long stitch that it's creating. But again, this stitch is going to come useful when you want to insert different colors, when we do different other stitches that require this stitch. This will become a stitch that you will definitely need to know when you're coming to create more advanced projects. All right, enough talking, let's do it again. Yarn over twice, insert our hook into the project and our foundation chain, which is under these 2 loops or the V's. Pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops is on our hook. yarn over, we're going to pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Last time, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so let's keep on going with our treble crochets all the way down to the end, and I'll show you how to add another row. Let's go ahead to do our last treble crochet in our last chain space. Yarn over twice, insert our hook into the last chain space, yarn over, and we're going to pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops is on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, that is our first row of treble crochets. Now, what we're going to do now is you're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. The chain 3 gives you the height of your treble crochet. Okay, so now what we're going to do is yarn over twice and go into this second chain space from the hook. And you're going to do the same motion again. Yarn over 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? So keep on going, and I'll meet you when we get to the end just to do our chain 3 and chaining motion one more time. This one. Insert our hook in, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, okay? And at the end, what we will do is chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then you will turn your work and you're ready to go ahead and do more treble crochets. So now that you've done the treble crochet a couple of times, I want you to continue to practice, 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 practice. When you feel comfortable and you think you got it down pat, practice some more. And then, and only then, once you have it down pat, your stitches are consistent, everything is uniform, then I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.